How to download and install iTunes on your laptop or PC. So to start, the first thing that you need to do is to open the Microsoft Store on your laptop or PC. After that, go on the search bar and then in here simply type iTunes. After that, tap on search and then in here you will automatically see the iTunes app. What we need to do is to open this one and then in here you will see this option get. Simply tap on this one and then wait for the app to be downloaded on your laptop or PC. Once the app is downloaded, simply tap on this open option and then a license agreement will pop up here. Simply tap on the agree option and then after that we'll just have to wait for a little. And then once it's done, it will automatically open this library of iTunes. In here, simply tap on this agree option. And then after that, we can now start using iTunes on our laptop or PC. So that's how easy we can download iTunes on our laptop or PC. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.